Yesterday we derived the Ohm's law, and on the basis of that formula now we have to find out the factors affecting the resistance of a conductor. According to that formula, the resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to the length of the conductor, and resistance of a conductor is inversely proportional to the area of cross section of the conductor. So R is inversely proportional to A. On combining these two, we will get R is proportional to L by A. The third factor is temperature, and the temperature we will discuss separately. So on removing this proportional sign, we will get a constant that is denoted by rho, and this rho is called specific resistance or resistivity. So R is equal to rho L upon A, therefore rho is equal to RA upon L. This rho is known as specific resistance or resistivity. Now the unit for the rho, that is formula, is RA upon L. So the unit of the resistance is ohm, that of area is meter square, and the length is meter. This meter and meter cancel, so the unit of the specific resistance is ohm into meter. The dimensional formula for the rho, that is m to the power 1 for resistance, L to the power 2, T to the power minus 3, A to the power minus 2. For A it is L square, and for L it is L to the power 1. This 1L and L cancel, so therefore the dimensional formula for the specific resistance is m to the power 1, L to the power 3, T to the power minus 3, A to the power minus 2. For defining the specific resistance, we will suppose A is equal to 1 and L is equal to 1, therefore rho is equal to R, and on the basis of this we can define it. The specific resistance is numerically equal to the resistance of a conductor of unit length and unit area of cross section. After specific resistance, the next one is specific conductance or conductivity. The reciprocal of a specific resistance is called specific conductance or conductivity. That means specific conductance is equal to 1 by specific resistance. Specific resistance is denoted by sigma, so sigma is equal to 1 by rho. Its unit is ohm inverse per meter or mho per meter. Its dimensional formula is m to the power minus 1, L to the power minus 3, T to the power 3, and A to the power 2. Now we have to establish the relation between specific conductance and current density. For that, since we know rho is equal to RA upon L, but according to Ohm's law, R is equal to V by I. So therefore in place of R we can write V by I. So rho is equal to V by I into A upon L. It can be written like this: V by L upon I by A. But you know V by L is equal to E and I by A is equal to J. So therefore rho will be equal to, in place of V by L we can write E, and in place of I by A we can write J. Invert it, so it is 1 by rho is equal to J by E. Now 1 by rho, you know, it is equal to sigma, so sigma is equal to J by E. Cross multiplying, so J is equal to sigma into E.